guys, and today we are gonna be bouncing on people like good people. My dad just made something that's really cool, so but you guys can't see. That was nice. Now guys, frog potion. Let's go. Easy frogs. Boom. Easy peasy. I'm into the screen. Oh. Okay, guys, next round. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna be doing 3 of these so I can show you guys my new sound effects. I kind of got, you hear the bouncy, bouncy, bouncy bop. So yeah, that was nice. Bang, pow. Wow, me and him have the same exact idea. What? Okay, guys. One more round. The bouncy. Boom. F1. Take a screenshot, boys. Easy. Now F1 again. The boom. Oh. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the last round when I do the bouncy. Bouncy. I don't give a bounce. Here we go, guys. Bounce. Like, I wonder if I can get back up on. I should probably just break all the chests. What? That was the ender pearl. Yeah, that's right. I saw that. No, I had to take off the frog hat. I'm so sorry, frogs. And Neo. No, I'm about to be a Neo. I'm so the angels. No. Okay, guys. Bouncy. It was your boy, Mr. Couture, with those bouncy hits. As far as guys, it was your boy, Mr. Couture. I said that 3 times. And the bouncies. Remember, guys. Always say bounciness. Remember. Bouncies will always love you. See? Watch. Okay.
Too complex. Much too complex. Too complex. Much too complex. Too complex. Too